ZENA stock analysis. Next week and onward in this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether ZENA Tech stocks buy enough for me. So watch this short video till the end. Sitting at $12.88, 12.88% off for the day. It's $8 though, it's not 12, but I am personally looking at it from a bullish lens. Before I go further, obviously I'm sticking to a strategy that I've tested for 4 years, 32,000 videos, and after I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. And with ZENA, I was literally waiting for a proper double break in order for me to double down on it, and I'm yet to see it. You know, I've saw the first break, second break, it's still not in my sight. Is that a bad thing? I mean, I'll leave it up to you. Obviously, like, it's very subjective, so you can do whatever you want. Like, even if I have a proper double break here, there's no reason why I wouldn't be bullish, but of course that double break needs to happen in order for me to continue, right? So that's how ZENA looks like. I'll go like a normal thing here. In the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.